Fire in the hole, let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on here today is I've got some of the sorriest looking chicken wings I've ever had in my whole life. These are awful. I'm really sorry I bought these. They're horrible. They've got feathers still sticking on them. I've got to trim that off there. And all the bones are broken in them, but I'm gonna cook them anyway because I don't have much choice. You know, a wing's a wing. That's what I have to say. Anyway, I cleaned them off with some white vinegar. You know, just because I'm gonna hit them with some Tsangs stir-fry oil. You know all about Tsangs stir-fry oil, right? If you're a regular viewer of my channel, you know that we use this for everything because we love the garlic flavor of Tsangs stir-fry oil. That's our binder. We use that for everything. Now I've got some barbecue rub I'm going to shake on there. This is Strawberry's Grand Champion barbecue seasoning. Rivet Gardner sent me this. Thanks, Rivet. He's a great guy. His name's John. Anyway, he sent me this. I'm just going to give a light coat of this barbecue seasoning to these because we're not really making barbecue wings today. We're making Korean spicy wings, but we got to put something on there, you know, just to get them cooking. To get them cooked up a little bit. Cover them up with a little bit of that, just a little sprinkle. I've only got a half a dozen wings and they're really terrible wings. I'm very sorry I bought these. I'm never going back to that place. I'm not going to say the name of Broward Meat and Fish either. Anyway, I got my wings covered up in that stuff and we're going to get them in the rotisserie basket and get them spinning on the fire, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll come back and make the gochujang sauce for these wings, so stay tuned. My wings are on the rotisserie spinning. 6 of the most piss poor wings of, I don't know how else to say it. They're awful. But they're wings. Wings are wings. We're going to get them cooked up. Takes about an hour to get them cooked up and smoked up. And then we're going to make a sauce for these puppies that's going to knock your socks off. So stay tuned. All right, my wings are done. So let's get this spicy Korean sauce going. Here's the star of any spicy Korean sauce. Gochujang hot pepper paste. This stuff rocks. I'm not kidding. We're going to put about a half a cup of this in my bowl. It's kind of thick, you know. I'm calling that a half a cup. Yeah, that looks like I'll put a little bit more. Why not? It's good stuff. Let me tell you what. So they're calling this the new sriracha. I don't know about that, but this stuff, let me tell you what, it rocks. The new sriracha. We're going to put just a splash of soy sauce in there. Just a splash of soy sauce. Just a little bit of ahi mirin. Mirin is a sweet Chinese cooking wine. We're going to put just a splash of that in there to cut that down a little bit because we want to do the, you know what I'm talking about. The Wing King says shaky bakey. That's what we want to do. We want to put also some honey, clover honey. About a half a cup is that's about all I have of clover honey in there. The honey's pretty thick, but we want to offset the heat with some sweet. So that's why we're using the mirin and the honey. Mirin and honey are sweet, and the gochujang is spicy. So we're going to make a spicy, sweet sauce. We need to put a little bit of sesame oil in there. That's good stuff. Just a splash. Sesame oil, and to bring the funk we need some fish sauce. Now this is my favorite brand of fish sauce. This is 3 Crabs. It's the only brand I've found that doesn't have MSG. Just a touch of fish sauce in there. That's going to bring the funk to this wing sauce that we're making. This is actually, we're going to make this a wing sauce, or we're going to throw our wings in here and coat them with this sauce, and I think we need to cut it down a little bit further because it's very thick. It's getting there, but I got to cut it a little further. I'm going to put some Shao Tsing Chinese cooking wine, just a splash of that. So we've got Shao Tsing, mirin, soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, and gochujang hot pepper sauce. Now if you're afraid of this hot pepper sauce, don't be. It's not that hot. And the way we've cut it down right now It's not that spicy. I mean, it's spicy. You know, of course it's spicy. Well, let's face it. It's spicy. I got to get that mixed up. I got to get it a little bit more, a little bit looser than that. There we go. It's getting there. Okay. Let me get my wings over here. I should have brought a pair of pincers or something. I think I'm just going to dump them in there. The wings look good enough to eat without anything on them, don't they? Get the wings in there. Now I could do the old shaky bakey, or I could do the old spoony woony. You know, whatever, whatever floats your boat. But we're just going to coat those wings in that spicy Korean sauce that we made. Oh, my mouth's watering just thinking about this. This is going to be so good. Yeah. All right. That's it. That is it. Those wings are done. I'm going to plate them up and get a beer and take a taste, so stay tuned. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. And here's today's beer. Sapporo premium beer. This is, I know it's Japanese and this is supposed to be Korean, but it's okay. It's okay. This is a good beer. Sapporo. Get this in any Japanese restaurant. And I got this at the Korean grocer. Still not Korean, is it? And I don't know if it's an ale or a lager. I'm guessing that it's a lager. It's a very nice beer. You know, it's it's pretty standard looking beer. It probably smells the same. It smells great. I don't know if it says on here what it is or what the ABV is. I think it should, but I guess it doesn't. I don't know if it says it on here. I can't find it. But Sapporo premium beer, it's good stuff. You know, what's the worst that could happen? Could taste bad. Hey Rob, want some Japanese beer with your Korean wings? I bet that dog could tear up some of these wings, but you know what? Might be a little too spicy for him. So Rob, let's sniff the sniff off of it. It smells great. It smells like a lager. I believe it's a lager. I'm guessing. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Wow, that's really good. I really like it. It's a good flavored, full-bodied beer. You know what? I'm gonna need that in about 1 minute when I dig into one of these wings. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go for. I'm also gonna need a napkin, big time napkin. Here, I'm gonna get this one. These were the worst wings I ever had. Look at that thing. I gotta get that in my mouth. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Ah, spicy? Yeah, they're spicy. They're not too bad. Let me tell you what, the kids won't like them, and your wife won't like them, but you're gonna love them. So make this recipe for yourself. Spicy Korean chicken wings with that gochujang hot pepper paste. It's awesome stuff. Sorry, I gotta wipe it off, my lips are burning. Anyway, you know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. There's a subscription thing right there. If you don't, go up and see my buddy John, Rivet Gardener. Rivet Gardener is one of the best kept secrets on the internet. The man is an amazing cook. He's making all sorts of crazy stuff. You're gonna love him. Go up and subscribe to John, Rivet Gardener. Tell him the Root Boy sent you. Also subscribe to Rob, the barbecue pit dog. He's my drinking buddy. Rob, good beer, Rob. Try it out, Sapporo. And yeah, that's my video. So, oh, stay tuned till the end of the video to find out who won the Armadillo Pepper Barbecue Sauce from last week. I'm giving away a jar of Armadillo barbecue sauce, so some lucky subscriber is going to get that. And yeah, that's it. That's my chicken wing video for today. I'm never going to buy wings from that place again. Although this sauce recipe is a killer. It's awesome. Okay, babies, we'll see you next week, okay? Bye.